Good morning, children. Today we will start the practice set 3.3 of the triangle chapter, that is your mathematics 2. So the first question of practice set 3.3 is find the values of x and y using the information shown in figure. So find the measure of angle ABD and measure of angle ACD. So the diagram is like this. It is given in your textbook page number 38. So now this is the diagram ABC and here D. So here what is given, AB is given equal to AC, BD is given equal to CD, and the values of angles like this it is mentioned. So we have to find the values of angle ABD and angle ACD. So let's begin with the solution. So in the solution, what we will do, first we will take in triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, what is given? Segment AB is congruent to segment AC. Segment AB is congruent to segment AC. So it is given. We will mention it is given. So now next, that is angle ABC is congruent to angle ACB. Why? Because it's a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle theorem. Then what we can write, if it is an isosceles triangle, then what is given here, angle x will be equals to 50 degree. So here put it equation 1. Then what, in triangle BDC we will take it. So in triangle BDC, segment BD is congruent to segment CD. Okay. So if both the segments are congruent, it is given in the question itself. So the angle opposite to the congruent side will be equal. That is again isosceles triangle. That is angle DBC is congruent to angle DCB. So it's again isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle theorem. Okay. So now if this is, therefore y will also equals to 60 degree. That means angle ABD equals to angle ABC plus angle DBC. So this is equation 2. That is equation 1. That is x equals to 50 degree, y equals to 60 degree. That means here what we can write it, that is angle ABD will be, ABC is x degree, DBC is 60 degree. That means what we can mention over here, x we got 50 degree. So 50 plus 60 degree we will get. Therefore angle ABD equals to 110 degree. Similar way we will find angle ACD. So angle ACD is angle ACB plus angle DCB. That means again here 50 degree plus y degree, that is equals to 50 plus 60, that is equals to 110 degree. So here similar angle ACD we got 110 degree. So therefore angle ABD equals to 110 degree and angle ACD equals to 110 degree. Now the question number 2, the length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 15. Find the length of median of its hypotenuse. So here the question, so now the diagram is given, it's a right angle triangle PQR and angle 90 degree is at angle Q. So here we'll start the solution, that is solution we will start. Let in triangle PQR where angle Q equals to 90 degree. Okay. So hypotenuse will be what, opposite side of, opposite to the 90 degree. So hypotenuse will be here PR and that is equals to 15, it is given. So segment QS is the median. What? Segment QS is the median on hypotenuse PR. That means what we can write, that is QS will be equals to half of PR. Why? Because midpoint means median means it will bisect the side into two equal parts. So the property you will mention here, the property of median on the hypotenuse of right angled triangle, This is the property that you have to mention. Now, so QS will be equals to half of PR. PR is given 15. So half of PR means half of 15. So half of 15 means 7.5. Therefore, what we are getting? The length of median of its hypotenuse is 7.5 units. So the third question, in triangle PQR, angle Q equals to 90 degree, PQ equals to 12, QR equals to 5, and its median and QS is the median. So find length of QS. So the diagram is given, PQ is given 12, QR is given 5, and QS is the median of this line. That means PS will be equals to SR. That means PR equals to half of SR. So like this it is. So we will start with the in triangle PQR where angle Q equals to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can find? We can find this whole line, because this is hypotenuse given, this is base is given. So we can, this is perpendicular, this is base. So the hypotenuse can be found. So we will write the formula of Pythagoras theorem, that is PQ square plus QR square equals to PR square. So here PQ is given 12 square plus 5 square equals to PR square. That means 144 plus 25 equals to PR square. That is 169 equals to PR square. So therefore what we will get? PR will be equals to root over of 169, that is 13. So 13 units we will get for PR. So now median. So what is median? Already I have explained. So median, that is QS, that is half of PR. So QS will be, that median will be, QS will be half of PR. So property is what? Property of median on the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So half of PR, that means what we will get? That is length of QS will be half of PR. What we got? 13. So half of this will be 6.5 units. That means length of QS will be 6.5 units. So the question 4 is, in figure, point G is the point of concurrence of the medians of triangle PQR. If GT equals to 2.5, find the length of PG and PT. So this is the diagram PQR, and point G is the concurrence of the medians. So these three are medians. So now we will use the property of medians of triangle in this question. So we will start with the solution. So solution is here, point G is the point of concurrence, of the medians of triangle PQR, correct? So what is the property for this? That is PG upon GT will be equals to 2 upon 1. This is the property. So we will mention property of medians of triangle. So this is the property by which we can write PG upon GT. That means PG upon GT will be equals to 2 upon 1. So that is the property of median of triangles. So we will substitute now formulas, that is PG upon GT is given what? 2.5, that is equals to 2 upon 1. So cross multiply it. So PG will be equals to 2 multiply 2.5, that is equals to PG equals to what we will get? 5 units. So we found PG. Now same way PT. So PT is what? Equals to PG plus GT. PT is what here in the diagram? PT is PG plus GT. So we got the values. PG we got 5 units and GT is given 2.5. So we will add. So 5 plus 2.5 units, that is equals to 7.5 units. So what we got? PT we got 7.5 units. Therefore PG equals to 5 units and PT equals to 7.5 units. So hope you must have understood the medians of triangle, property of the medians of the triangles.